Hello, welcome to Lasse Food and Barbecue. So I was watching Jeff over at armadilopepper.com the other day, and he made maple and sriracha glazed chicken legs or drumsticks, and I thought that looks so good. So I'm gonna do my copycat, whatever version of this. I'm gonna make two different kinds because only half of the family likes the sriracha version. So I'm gonna do a lemon bourbon glaze for half of them, and I'm gonna do a Sriracha maple syrup glaze for the other half. But first off, I'm gonna prepare the chicken for the smoke. So I've been brining these chicken drumsticks in the... Oh, I had both lids on there. I've been brining these in a brine very similar to Jeff's since this morning. I'm going to try to show you this. Oh, it's going to be hard. Anyway, the brine has salt, sugar, some cloves, and I also used some juniper berries. I think that could probably add a nice taste. So I'm going to start by patting these dry, and then I also had some bayleaves in there. It's all in his recipe. I'm going to link to that up there. Anyway, so I'm going to pat these dry. There we go. Time to put some seasoning on there. I just put it in a shaker because when I buy it in bulk. Because shipping is the same cost as the rub itself when you want to order it to Sweden. Fun, huh? And I think that's good enough. Time to move over to the grill. We're just gonna put that in here. I didn't fit all of the lump in the chimney, so anyway, it's pretty hot. I'm gonna get a grate on and let this balance out at 250, 275, something like that. Okay, so this is at about 275 now, and I'm gonna put this chicken on here. I've got, let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16. I've got 20, so I'm going to put 10 down here. I'm going to put them like that with the thick end towards the fire. And then I'm going to use my elevation rack and put 10 on there. That way, when I put the glaze on, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, something like so. And then I've got this. Let's see if I can fit 10 on there. Oh, clever boy. It's a matter of adapting, right? So that one can go out there. Just have to move them a little bit. Don't want them to touch. And then when I put the glaze on, these will be kept apart so I don't mix them. I don't know if I'm gonna see a difference between them. Oh, funny how the mild ones are gonna be fewer. I have to put them every other way. It's just a matter of getting it done, right? It's not that cold today. Not as cold as it was last weekend. Something like so, 12 and 8. That works just the same, I would say. And then we're gonna put some applewood. I only use applewood, as you might have noticed, just because it's my own applewood. So put that down there. Anyway, lid on. Time to rock and roll. I could put that down there. And there we go. This is gonna take about an hour, I would say. So I'll meet you back then. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the lemon bourbon glaze. So I've got 2 small lemons, and I'm just gonna zest both of them actually, because they're so small. And then I'm going to use this juice from one of them. I think that will be enough. I don't want too much acidity in there. And there we go. So, Zest. I'll use this. This is actually for oranges, but it works just as well for lemons. Okay, so this is what we have. We're gonna add in 1/5 of a cup of bourbon. I'm using Jim Beam, product placement, and 1/5 of a cup of brown sugar. Just gonna give that a little bit of a stir. And then we're going to put this to the side. Okay, there we go. So what I've got is, I'm only making half the amount of sauce or glaze that Jeff did. So I've got half a stick of butter. I've got whatever that is. It's 5 tablespoons of maple syrup. And I'm using the same amount, might not be right, but this is regular Sriracha. He had asked the ass-kicking one, so 5 tablespoons of that as well. So just gonna put that together in there, give this as well a little bit of a stir, and I'm actually gonna heat this up right before using it as well. But anyway, that's them done. Always good to be prepared. Okay, so it's getting dark out here, but these are looking really nice. I'm gonna tempt them. Yeah, 178. I want them to be done, really done. Oops, it's getting hot. It's still hot out there. I'll try that one as well. 168. Yeah, that's good. Time to put this glaze on. So I'm gonna start with the bourbon glaze on the top layer here. I think it's smarter to start on top there. Just gonna wipe this on them all. There we go. So they are glazed, both up and down. I'm gonna leave these on for about 10 minutes, let this set, and then I'm gonna turn them over and repeat the process. But it's gonna be pitch black then, so I'll show you when I get inside. There we go. Let's give this a try. I'm going to try the weak one first, or not hot one first. Real bourbon taste. Lemon comes through a little bit, but not that much. It's really nice. I'm going to try the other one as well. That's hot. Thank you, Jeff. This was really good. Thank you for watching. Bye.